Welcome back guys to Devices Setup channel, and here we help you diagnose and resolve issues related to different devices and gadgets. And in today's video we will teach you about the right method to set up your D-Link Wi-Fi range extender and the most possible resolution related to D-Link AP.local not working. So first of all, to start with, we need to understand that dlink ap.local is a offline setup page that we can access only when we are setting up the extender for the first time, or if we are setting up the extender after doing it a factory reset. So if you try to access this dlink ap.local after you have already set up the Wi-Fi range extender, then it won't work. To access your extender after setup, you will need the IP address of the extender assigned by your router. Let me know in the comment section if you want a video on that too. So coming back to the question, in case you are setting up your D-Link extender and dlinkap.local isn't working, then there are 100% chances that either you have missed a step or you are doing something wrong. So in this video, I'll guide you step by step about setting up your D-Link Wi-Fi range extender. So first and foremost, reset your Wi-Fi range extender. Now make sure you only reset your D-Link Wi-Fi range extender and not your router. Also make sure while resetting your extender, it should be plugged into the wall. Now give 60 seconds to the extender so that it can reboot properly. And once the power light gets back stable on extender, grab your cell phone, computer or Mac and go to your Wi-Fi list. Now in the Wi-Fi list, you will see your D-Link range extender showing up. Depending upon the model of your Wi-Fi extender, the name in the Wi-Fi list might be different. For example, it might say D-Link underscore Wi-Fi underscore extender or D-Link underscore 2 GHz or D-Link underscore 5 GHz, etc. etc. So now click on that network name and connect your phone or computer to that network name. It might say no internet, but that's totally fine because right now it is not set up. So it is bound to say that. Now once you get connected to that network name, open a browser on the very same device. And in the URL or in the address bar, you need to type dlinkap.local. Now, if you have followed all the steps properly till now, then there are 100% chances that it will take you to your D-Link extender setup page. But still, in case it doesn't, then need not to worry. You instead of trying dlinkap.local, try the default IP address of D-Link extender, that is 192.168.0.50. Now these two setup link will help you in setting up your D-Link extender. Once you are on your setup page, it will ask you to select the network name that you want to extend. So you need to type its password and boom, in next 60 seconds, your extender will work like a magic, extending signals from your router to other devices. Now, a bonus tip is that you place your extender between your router and the location where you need Wi-Fi connectivity. So let's suppose if you need Wi-Fi in your bedroom, then place the extender in the middle of your bedroom and your router. Hope this video was helpful to all of you guys. Do let us know in the comment section if you guys need videos on any other topic or any other device. Also, if you still can't set up your Wi-Fi extender, then you can get in touch with the D-Link official support team, that is support.dlink.com. I will also provide their link in the description section. Don't go to any other link other than this, the one mentioned in the description, because other might be the copy of the original websites. Now, you can also get in touch with our experienced technicians who can resolve your issues within minutes via chat support. For very nominal fee, they can resolve your issue to your satisfaction level. So you can get on a website devicessetup.com, get in touch with the chat representative there, or you can also email your issue with your callback number on our email ID. So our email ID is easywifihelp@gmail.com, and our technician team will call you back as soon as possible. So this was all the information related to dlinkap.local, and if you follow all these steps, then your extender will work perfectly fine. So thank you so much for your time, and you have a wonderful day ahead.